Hello friends, in this video we intend to teach you step by step how to verify your identity and upload documents on the Paxful exchange. Once we enter the main dashboard of the Paxful exchange, we go to the Profile section, enter the Settings section, and from the left side of the page, we access the Verification section. In this section, as you can see, your registered phone number and email address have been accepted by the broker and their verification is complete. The next step is related to ID verification, where you need to fill out the relevant form. And after completing the first steps form, you click on the Start Verification Processes button. At this stage, a page will open for us indicating that you need to confirm your country of residence, so it can be determined under which country's laws your personal information will be processed. Click on this option and then select Next. In this section, you need to select the type of document you want to upload for verification. After making your selection, click on the Next option. Then, by choosing the Manual Upload option, upload both the front and back photos of your identification card and click Next. At this stage, you need to take a selfie in which your face is clearly visible and submit it to the exchange. Click on the I am ready option and we will complete this step using a mobile phone. Copy the link and complete the rest of the video verification steps on your mobile device. The lines verification step is now complete, and by clicking Continue on this device, we will proceed with the remaining steps on the same device. At this stage, a page will open for us indicating that we need to review the details of our personal information, and if everything is correct, we will be directed to the next steps. Our document upload was successfully completed on the Paxful exchange and is now under review by the exchange. As you can see, this item is under review, and within a few minutes, the final response from the exchange will be communicated to us in this section. Our identity verification documents have been successfully accepted by the Paxful exchange. The next step is related to verifying your residential address. We click on this option, and in this section, we fill out the form related to the residential address. And after completing the form, you click on the Start Verification Processes option. At this stage, a page will open for us where we need to upload the required documents for address verification. And after uploading, we click on the Next option. If you have checked the uploaded documents and there are no issues, click on the Next option. And the document you uploaded is now being reviewed by the exchange. When your documents are accepted and approved by the exchange, a green check mark will be displayed next to each section. Your identity verification has been successfully completed on the Paxful exchange, and you are now able to make deposits and withdrawals on this platform. Wishing you success and profitable trades.